Hello everyone, how are you today? So in this video, I want to show you how you can have two accounts in the same WhatsApp application. So go to where you have your WhatsApp application installed. Now tap on it to open it. Once it opens, go to the top and tap on the three dots. Now tap on the settings. Tap on the account. Tap on add account, as you can see. You would see the add account. Tap on it. All right, so when you get to this point, tap on the agree and continue. Now it takes you to the platform where you have to enter the second number that you want and then create your account. Okay, so you would have two accounts in the same WhatsApp number. You can use it just like you use your WhatsApp. You receive messages in either of the accounts. Okay, so if you get to this point, if you do not have the add account option, do not worry, just go to your Play Store and update your WhatsApp application. And if you update and it's still not there, then it means the country where you reside, it's not yet available. So you just need to keep updating once in a while your WhatsApp, and perhaps your country will be eligible to have access to second account. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.